Fungicides. Why do we need fungicides? So with cool season grasses in particular, whenever the soil starts reaching 60 degrees Fahrenheit and the air temperature reaches about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is typically on average around the beginning of May. The middle, sometimes depending on Mother Nature, it'll take to the middle of May. Well, once these ideal conditions that I just mentioned are achieved, then you start having fungi to start developing in your lawns. And a lot of times people don't understand it, or they might see the yellowing on the leaves of their pretty fescue grass, and they'll say, wow, well, maybe my lawn needs some nitrogen. Maybe my lawn needs some fertilizer. Well, no, that's not the case. It's actually a fungus that has started developing. Here in North Carolina, especially with cool season grasses, fescue, brown patch is one of the biggest and problematic that we have. And the only way, and a lot of times you don't even know you have a fungus until over time, a month go by and you'll say, wow, my lawn is just starting to turn browner and browner, or it's just not as green and pretty as it used to be. I wonder what the case is. Maybe it's the sun, or we haven't gotten a lot of rain. Maybe that's the case. Well, no, it is definitely a disease that has taken over your lawn. And the only way to correct this problem is to treat it preventatively, and in some cases curatively, but oftentimes the best course of action will do it in a preventative manner, because you're able to apply the fungicides at much low doses than any other thing that you'll find. And so this is one of the things, golf courses use it a lot, and the reason why they do is because the thresholds on a putting green surface isn't going to be the same as it is in your lawn. So of course they apply fungicides more regularly because those things are being used every day, all day. But this is one thing that they'll tell you. Any golf course manager, you can go to Augusta National down where they host the Masters and speak with any one of those people that do the grounds over there, and they'll tell you that golf courses use it, and so should you. That's just is the nature of it. But a lot of the larger companies don't want to offer you this service, or if they do, it's gonna be so expensive that you're gonna be like, no, I don't think I want to mess with that. But ultimately, this is a step that will allow you to be able to have a nice green lawn year round. And we also offer this service, and we do it as an add-on to our weed and feed program. So we within our weed and feed program, we have a Emerald program and we have a Gold program. Our Gold program is the one that includes the fungicides, and that is our most complete and oftentimes our better performing programs.